Every farm has a requirement to carry out machinery maintenance and repairs. Adopting safe work practices are essential when carrying out maintenance or repairs in the workshop. If equipment is not used safely, serious or fatal injury can occur. Farm workshops should be constructed of fire-resistant materials such as concrete blocks, concrete, steel, non-asbestos fibre cement sheeting or fire-resistant composite panels. There should be good access with high sliding or roller doors. Floors should be concrete and non-slip. There should be a space of 2 meters around a vehicle. The workshop should have good lighting. Workshop equipment and materials should be sited in designated areas clear of access areas, generally around the periphery of the building. Flammable materials such as fuels, oil, paint thinners, paint or grease must be stored appropriately and where practical outside the workshop. Repairs should never be carried out in the vicinity of hay or straw. A fire extinguisher must be easily accessible. Choose either a dry powder and/or a carbon dioxide type for the workshop. The workshop should be equipped with fire buckets filled with sand and a fire blanket. Visors or goggles to the standard of EN 166 should always be worn where there is a risk of eye injury when doing repairs. As a general rule, if the noise is such that it is difficult to hear someone talk in normal voice, noise levels are at a damaging level. Noise levels should be reduced or ear protection should be worn. Battery or pneumatic tools can be used as an alternative to electrical tools. Trolley or bottle jacks should never be used as the sole means of supporting equipment. Use axle stands to support the load. Installations and alterations should comply with the ETCI wiring rules for farm buildings and must be checked annually by a competent electrician. When carrying out repairs or maintenance, give your health and safety first priority with every task.